In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Gamma to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have the Gamma app connected inside ChatGPT so you can access it right where you work. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile or avatar there. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to the place where all your ChatGPT preferences live, including the section for managing apps. Inside Settings, look for the Apps section. Click it to open the app management page. Here, you'll either see an option called Explore Apps or Add More, depending on your interface. Click that to open the app directory. This is where you can discover and connect tools that work with ChatGPT. At the top of the directory, you'll find a search bar. Click into the search field and type Gamma. Give it a second to load results, and then find the Gamma listing in the results. If you see multiple similar names, take a moment to pick the official Gamma entry so you're connecting the correct app. Next, click Connect on the Gamma page. This is the action that links Gamma with your ChatGPT account. After you click Connect, simply follow any on-screen instructions. You might be asked to review permissions or confirm that you want to allow the connection. If a short authorization or confirmation appears, just proceed as prompted. Read each prompt so you understand what access is being granted, then approve to continue. If nothing happens after you click Connect, try refreshing the page and clicking Connect again. If Gamma doesn't appear in search, double-check your spelling and make sure you're on the latest version of your browser. Sometimes availability can vary by region or account type, so checking back later can help. Once the connection completes, you'll typically see a confirmation or a status that indicates Gamma is connected. That's all there is to it. You've gone from your profile to Settings to Apps, explored the directory, searched for Gamma, clicked Connect, and followed the prompts. With that done, Gamma is now linked to ChatGPT and ready for you to use whenever you need it. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your streamlined setup. If you ever need to disconnect or manage permissions, you can return to the same Apps section in Settings and make adjustments anytime.